Hi, this is Stephen Hickey with GIT, Get Into Technology, and in this video I want to take you in and show you the email scams that are coming out in your inbox, and it's about Netflix phishing alert and how you will receive these emails to update your information. Your account's been canceled, your payment information has failed, and they just keep coming out and coming out and coming out. This is a huge scam. It's massive. It's affecting 150,000 users, and so I want to take you in. I want to show you what they look like and show you how to protect yourself and what to do and what to not to do. So in this video I'm going to show you all that, so stay tuned and we'll get moving forward. Okay, let's get started. This is Steve with GIT, and we're just going to slide my screen to the left here, and I want to take you in and show you this email. This is an email that I got a while back, and it says the subject line says payment failed, avoid revoke. That is not common English language. That is broken up language, as I call it. And how you know that this is a fraudulent phishing email is you look first and foremost at the heading. It says DEARS, D-E-A-R-S. Well, nobody in North America says DEARS. They say Dear Stephen or Dear Customer or whatever, not DEARS. And Netflix will never send you an email that's going to say DEARS, Dear Customer. They're going to say, hi Stephen, we got this new video coming out on Friday, October the 31st, 2018 or whatever. They're going to give you updated information on their videos coming out, and it's always going to always use your name, not DEARS, not Dear, not hi, and stuff like that. So this is a phishing email that's old. Normally you come down here where it says update account. I just gotta see how that little drop down menu there is, little arrow, update account. Normally you can click on that because this is a dead email. The link doesn't come up anymore. But if you want to see the link, and I'll just show you, they take a picture, a screenshot of a Netflix email that's sent out, and they manipulate it. They will take out Dear Stephen and they'll put Dear's Customer. And then if you scroll down, you'll notice you've got questions. Call 1-800-071-578. And I don't know anybody that has a phone number in the world like that. You're never going to get through. They're missing a number. Okay, so there's another way of understanding. You don't want to click on contact us. You do not want to click on update account. As soon as you do that, they put a Trojan horse, spamware, spyware on your computer, and they'll take you to a website that looks identical to Netflix. And once you fill in your information, they get your credit card information, they get your login and password. So it becomes, a scary world, and you're not protected that way. So the best way to protect yourself is just do not click on anything. And it's becoming more and more harder to recognize a real email from a fake email or a phishing email. And then you get a little bit worried, well, is this a real Netflix email or not? The best way to find out if this is a real authentic email from Netflix is to go up to the top, hover your mouse. If you're on your iPhone or iPad, just take your finger and click on Netflix, and it's going to say, it shows the address here that says Stephen Hickey at mailer-netflix.com. Well, that's not Netflix. This is not Netflix. Let's go up into an email that is Netflix. Now, in this email, it shows that somebody's trying to reset my password. I have not done this. This email came out on September 27th. I have no reason to reset my password. But this is authentic email from Netflix. If you look in here, it goes info@mailer.netflix.com. So this is Netflix. If you come down here, the phone number is 888-811-9842. So that is a real number. Yeah, there's no... Okay, there is. Click on that and the website will come up. Change password. Sorry, this change password link is not valid. Please request another one. Okay, because it's expired, because that was on September 27th of 2018. So they only hold them for probably 12 hours to 24 hours, and then they expire. So there's an authentic email from Netflix. Now let's go to another one. Here is another email that looks like it's Netflix, but it's not. And they're getting a little bit smarter. They took the S off dear, customer, instead of dears. You come down here, you hover over that, and you click on this, and it's going to give you their address. For I happy 05KE52 VUL -membership-netflix.info. Well, Netflix doesn't have an address like that. We'll never have an address like that. So as soon as you click on, and a lot of people will come in here and go, oh damn, I need to update my payment information. Meanwhile, the payment just came out of your account 3 days ago. But people are more skeptical to just go and click on this, and then they're open themselves a can of trouble, because as soon as you click on that link, you get spyware, adware on your computer, and they can watch everything you're doing, and they all have your credit card information, your login, and your password to get into Netflix. And this is just not for Netflix. This is for every. I got an Apple email to the left-hand side there, and that's a scam. I got a Revenue Canada agency. That's a scam. I'm just making a file of all these scams. Anyways, so anytime you get an email like this, you want to be very careful. Just don't get in there and panic and click on something that you don't know or necessarily have to click on, because most likely everything is fine with your account if you have a Netflix account. And just be cautious and protect yourself and from any. And it says no non-reply Netflix. You know, these guys are getting smarter and smarter. I've seen some emails that say hi, so instead of dears, and yeah, and they get the full phone number down there too. So you need to protect yourself for fraudulent phishing emails, and they come in all different sizes and packages. I'm gonna just go over here for a minute. So I received a suspicious email or text message. If you suspect you have received a fraudulent email or text message that appears to be from Netflix, follow these tips to keep you informed, your information safe, secure, and follow the steps below to report the message. Never enter your login or financial details after following a link in an email or text message. If you are unsure if you are visiting a legit Netflix website, type www.netflix.com directly into your web browser. Never click on any links or open any attachments in your email or text message you received unexpectedly, regardless of the source. If you suspect an email or text message is not from Netflix, do not reply to it. Follow the steps below. Forward it to Netflix. And so if we just go over here, we do a search, Netflix scam email. You can see that 6,390,000 people have searched this out. And if you go under images, people have taken pictures, screenshots of all this phishing, scammy email from Netflix, and there's all sorts of them. So if you want to update yourself and get more familiar with what they look like, so when you click on a Netflix email, you'll know what you're looking for prior to clicking on something that you shouldn't be clicking on. You can just come in here and pick whatever one you want and click on it, and then you can see what it looks like. Hi, hashtag name, hashtag. Well, that shouldn't even be there. And it just, they just continues to go on and on and on. Payment decline, phishing, fake. So I hope this video tutorial is helpful to you and prepares you, protect yourself from any of these phishing emails coming in, trying to scam you or fraudulently capture your credit card, your login details to Netflix. Please comment and share on this video, and subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification to stay updated for new videos that are coming out, so you can stay updated to everything that GIT is doing. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and look for the next one.
We want to thank you once again and are looking forward to a healthy long relationship with you moving forward. We at GIT have many things happening and we want you to know about them. So we will notify you of updates and new course videos and courses that are being released.